There are two main types of people in the world. Personally, I like both. This is why I like management consoles that creates automation code automatically for you. Now, what you've just seen wasn't magic. It's a new, game-changing, super intelligent copilot that helps you manage your workload hosted on FSx for ONTAP. And it's called Workload Factory. It's designed to remove the burden of all of these long cloud, vendor, and application practices by automating this according to best practices. Now, let's have a deeper look. In a single interface, you can easily assess your environment to see if it's performing or protected as expected, or if you have any configuration drifts. Use it to eliminate some of your infrastructure costs. Plan migrations of your workloads into AWS. Create an AI-powered chatbot for your most sensitive internal organizational data powered by Amazon Bedrock. Or even configure advanced storage features without knowing what is ONTAP. These are just some of the capabilities Workload Factory brings. You can use it with little, has no permissions, and build trust as you go. For more advanced automations, please visit our GitHub repo. This has been the FSxN Workload Factory report.